Hello again, I'm Jason Barnard, the founder of Kalicube, and I'm here to show you the final piece necessary to becoming truly 100% algorithm, AI, and competition-proof online now and in a timeless way that lasts well into the future. It's a continuation of what we discussed in the last video. Do you remember the 3 crucial areas to focus on in order to absolutely dominate your niche as the go-to thought leader? It's all about knowing where is your audience looking for you, where is your competition showing up, and where does Google want you to show up? At Kalicube, we know the answer to these questions with absolute certainty because of the 2 billion data points we've been collecting from Google since 2015. This means that we're able to create an exact step-by-step action plan, no guessing, with exactly what to do to achieve this omnipresent niche dominating result. Once we have this action plan for you clearly laid out and we're implementing it, it's all about creating extremely intentional content moving forward. Let's explain where most personal brands are right now. They're guessing at where to show up, which platforms to focus on, and what to create without knowing if it will work. Should I create blog posts on this topic? Should I make a podcast about this? Should I create videos about that? This guessing can lead to a frustratingly huge waste of time, energy, and effort without results. It can feel extremely discouraging. Now, with access to the information Kalicube has, you can stop guessing and instead know exactly what to create and start seeing the results you want from it, meaning you'll get that predictable leads, stages, and sales. That means your content creation is intentional and you prioritize the placement of it so that literally everywhere your ideal client or customer looks, you're there. You're the undeniable clear choice over anyone else. You've got a leads machine because of it, and instant credibility and trust established before you've even had your first conversation with someone. You'll even show up when someone is searching for your competition. Look at this. So, even when someone is trying to look at somebody besides you, you show up because that's how omnipresent you've become online. Even more importantly, you will be the gold standard recommendation from AI. Now, AI is pretty new, so not everyone has the same understanding of it. If anything, they think it's about content generation. But it's undeniably the future of search, and AI does not care about keywords and links at all. Soon, people will be using AI to make their choices instead of going to their favorite search engines and filtering through all the results themselves. Soon, this AI will be automatically used in searches on any search engine as well. In many cases, it already is. That looks like this, and as you can see, it's at the top above anything else. So for you to guarantee your omnipresent online visibility, your position as the leader in your niche, the position as the leader they can trust the most and the go-to authority, the last 40% of what you need to do is creating the content your audience is looking for and packaging and positioning yourself with the AI machines in mind. And do you see that once you do, you'll be truly unstoppable? Now, I should mention that none of this is instantaneous. So if you're looking for something instant, please go ahead and cancel the call now. If you do understand that this type of all-encompassing online visibility and credibility takes time and intention, then I'm really looking forward to talking with you. Now you have the foundation for where the future of online visibility is headed and how you can be 100% algorithm, AI, and competition-proof. That means it will be much easier to talk about you specifically and what will make the biggest difference for your personal brand when we meet. I hope you're excited about how far ahead of the curve you are. I know I am. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.